National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Rutherford and southern Wilson counties until 9 p.m. At 8:18, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles an hour. This storm was near Nolensville, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Locations impacted to include Murfreesboro, Walter Hill, Las Casas, Milton, Cedars 11 State Park. Again, a tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a strong building. Even with these damaging winds, go ahead and move to a place of safety as these warnings are being issued.